Jamaica,
people
watch
were shot,
this.
2 fatally after gunmen went on a rampage in Marchpenn, St. Catherine Wednesday night. As the police intensify their operations in the community, they're pursuing several persons of interest. Kelisha Williams has that story.
This is where the gunmen carried out the gruesome attack around 10:30 Wednesday night in Marchpenn, St. Catherine. The police say a group of residents were in the area when gunmen approached them and started spraying them with bullets. 4 people were shot during the incident.
They were transported to the hospital where one died while being treated, and later this morning another one succumbed to his injuries.
The victims have been identified as 36-year-old Barton Stewart and 27-year-old Akeem Smith. Commanding officer for the St. Catherine North Police Division, SSP Hopton Nicholson, said police officers who were in the area at the time took quick action. However,
it is not known if any of the criminals were shot and injured, and we will continue this investigation. The Marchpenn area has been of concern from November last year. Intra and inter-gang feud has contributed to these 2 murders and the injury of the 2 individuals.
And so the police are pursuing several persons of interest who they believe can assist with their investigations.
They are Damani Burton, otherwise known as Daman; Colin Booth, otherwise known as George; a man known only as Crooks; a man known only as Brother; and 2 individuals that goes by the name alias Twin. We are asking them to report to the nearest police station by 8 a.m. tomorrow, June 5th, 2026. We know that majority of the citizens residing in Marchpenn and surrounding communities are decent, law-abiding citizens, and we believe that they should be able to live in peace as well. So we're going to continue our investigation, continue our operation to pursue those we believe can assist us with this investigation and bring them to justice.